Here it comes. Look at it.
Gunner.
Oh!
Oh, the other one is.
There's the loon out there.
There was a pair of them.
Yeah, but two of them, you saw the two of them for a while, one on each side of them.
It was his.
There's Gunner. There he is.
Oh! Trapper! Oh my God.
It was hissing at him.
Yeah.
You'll never catch them in the water.
That is so funny.
That's funny. There, over here. He's just egging them on. Let us see. That's good. Well, they're fishing days.
Oh, there it is again.
Oh,
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
he goes, follow me.
There he is
There he
again.
is again. He just knows how to go back and forth and get.
Probably dives right underneath them.
I'm sure.
Yep.
See? Oh, Dad.
Anything, he probably thinks that's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Trapper, Gunner, come on.
Oh, come on in now. You
Just-
guys might
yeah.
get overtired.
Yeah, they get tired.
Yeah.
Trapper.